What are some of your like daily habits that you do that help with like your mindset and everything?
I do dream therapy. So I know that whatever I take into in my state and my mental awareness is going to go right into my dream. And like your brain is going through overnight therapy every single evening, and its job is to get rid of toxicity and to store away your memories and to predict the next day for you because it wants to keep you safe. So if you bring that worry and that future pacing and the heaviness, your brain is going to take that data and it's going to take that input and output the same thing the next day, and you'll feel the same way. So like you said, journaling, that's a big one too. And just venting it out. I say vent it out, then redirect it. So redirect the vent. So after you vent it out, then identify 3 or 4 using positive emotions, claims or statements, claiming your day for the next day ahead of time, like setting your mind up. I call it priming the mind to the upside, prime your mind to the upside. And then I do pray and I say, I want to really have meaningful sleep. I actually don't want to know my dreams. Sometimes you remember your dreams and most times you don't. So that when I really want restful sleep, I'll say, I don't even need to know about the dreams. Just put whatever deposits I need in there. Because that's when you're literally integrating all your new learnings. And that when I wake up, and I do this in hypnotherapy with my clients in terms of them expecting to feel restored, rejuvenated when they wake up, and already they're on that road to recovery or whatever it is that they're working on, or getting closer to their goals. And people love that. I also like to go get elevated to see a wider perspective, because when we're thinking about our problems, we have what's called more of a myopic view, like just looking at that little dirt, that little stain, and like, but we're not seeing. We need to train our brain to open up, but you have to use positive emotion. So this is in the science. If I practice gratitude, if I practice love, if I feel that through my heart space, I'm going to make my heart and my brain coherent, meaning they're operating seamlessly together. The body is balancing. We're getting to a state of homeostasis. Now my brain opens up to see a more wider view. Ultimately, the neurons in your brain, you want them firing what this better feeling is, or this belief system is. And the more they fire together, that belief system, and you take those actions through behavior, you're going to hardwire that into your new way of thinking. It's your new operating blueprint, your new operating manual. Now you get over those limiting beliefs.